Hey there! We've seen helicopters fly with agility like the TV series Airwolf. But how does a heavy machine conquer inertia while hovering? Inspired by the Dragonfly, a helicopter's rotor isn't centered by length but by its center of gravity. As those blades spin, the torque created one to spin the body in the opposite direction. Introducing the tail blade, the stabilizer that counters that spin and let the pilot yaw left or right. But the real magic is the swashplate. This complex mechanical brain tilts the blade forward and backward, left and right that create pitch and roll, allowing the helicopter to dance in any direction. Just like a cooling fan, the rotor spins at constant speed. Lift is created by shifting the angle of attack. The steeper the angle, the more air is concentrated down and the higher and quicker we go. It's a masterclass in the manipulation of force. Combining all these elements, the helicopter can move swiftly and freely during flight. It's quite complicated at first, but once you get the concept of it, you'll be impressed by how the manipulation of force enables us to mimic the nature. By mimicking nature's balance, we've turned a heavy machine into a swift sky dancer. And that's your bite-sized knowledge for today. See you next time. Now let's give it a go. Whee! It works! Yikes!